Good morning, students. Once again, I am here with you, and today I will explain you the types of teeth and while eating, what should you do? Okay. So these are the two questions I will explain you, and I will give you a diagram that is the types of teeth. You will draw this nicely. Okay. Now see chapter 1, my body. Okay, in this chapter come to the types of teeth. See this diagram, this is the diagram. This is inverted, beta, just you will make it correct. Okay, then you will label it. This is inverted. Now see the types of teeth. There are generally three types of teeth. One is the flat teeth and the other is the pointed teeth, and in three divided into two groups. Broad and groove teeth is divided into two groups. One is the molar and another is the premolar. So flat teeth in front of the mouth are flat and are used for biting and cutting the food, and they are known as incisors. There are 4 incisors in the upper jaw and 4 incisors in the lower jaw. Okay, now come to the pointed teeth. See, on either side of the flat teeth is a sharp pointed teeth. They are used for tearing the food, and they are known as what? Canines. There are 4 canines in all. Okay, see the diagram also. This is inverted. See here, pointed teeth are there, and flat teeth see in front of the mouth. Now third is the broad and groove teeth. The teeth present at the back of the mouth are broad and have grooves in them, and they are used for chewing and grinding the food, and they are known as premolars and molars. Okay, there are 8 premolars in all, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Okay, and they are next to the canine. Okay, the molars come after the premolars, and there are 12 molars in all, 6 in the upper jaw and 6 in the lower jaw. So this is all about your types of teeth. Now see, now come to the good habit. So the question will be that list 5 good habits that should be taken care of at the time of eating food. So what will you take care during eating? So first of all, you will wash your hand before eating. Okay, now second is that you will chew food properly before swallowing the food, and do not speak while chewing the food. Okay, and eat green vegetables and fruit every day. Okay, and you take a balanced diet, and take food at fixed interval, not like that ki after half an hour, 1 hour you are taking too much food. No, just give the gap between the second meal. First of all, you had your breakfast in the morning, and then you keep rest for 3 to 4 hours. Then you take the lunch. Okay, after lunch you take snacks in the evening, and after that in the dinner at 8 p.m. you take the dinner, and you drink plenty of water. Okay, that means 8 glasses of water every day. So this you should do to keep yourself healthy. Okay, so these are the things which you should do while eating food. Okay, so I have explained the types of the teeth. I hope that is clear. This is the types of the teeth, and the question will be from this part. Name the different types of teeth present in mouth. Also mention their function. So these are the teeth. Flat teeth, the function of a flat teeth is to bite and cut the food. Okay, and the function of pointed teeth is to tear the food. Okay, and the function of broad teeth is to chew and grind the food. Okay, these are the function. You will write from this. Okay, so these are the question answer I will give you. And one thing, I will give you a diagram of the different types of the teeth. Okay, so you will draw this diagram and you will invert this diagram, then you will label this. You will invert it, then you will label it. Okay, any problem? I hope no problem is there. So this is the question E12 of chapter My Body, and this is your book. So I hope you have done question A, B, C and D. Okay, now I have started question E, and that see, this is the question which you will do in your homework. Write down the questions. Number 1 is the list 5 good habits and that should be taken care of at the time of eating food. Okay, list 5 good habits that should be taken care of at the time of eating food. Name the different types of teeth present in mouth, also mention their function. Name the different types of teeth present in the mouth, also mention their function. Okay, written? Okay, good. Now your work is to do this question answer in your rough copy, and you will draw the diagram also, and you will send me in the WhatsApp group, in my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, not in group. Okay, that's all. So that's all for today. Thank you.